The rapid advancement of digital technologies has had a transformative effect on the way government and regulatory bodies interact with businesses and individuals. In response to these advancements, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC of the Philippines, has actively pursued initiatives aimed at modernizing and enhancing the regulatory compliance process. One of the significant steps toward digital transformation was the issuance of Memorandum Circular Number 28, Series of 2020, which mandates that all corporations, partnerships, associations, and individuals engaged in transactions with the SEC must create and/or designate an official email account, address, and cell phone number for communication in regulatory transactions. This memorandum is part of the SEC's effort to strengthen its regulatory framework by leveraging technology to improve the efficiency, accuracy, and transparency of its communication and compliance processes. The digitalization of communication channels is seen as a crucial step in ensuring timely and secure interactions between the SEC and the entities it oversees. In a modern regulatory environment, the need for secure, real-time, and easily accessible communication platforms has become increasingly critical, especially with the growing volume of transactions and reports that businesses must submit to the SEC. The adoption of this requirement for digital contact information also addresses the challenges posed by the growing complexity of regulatory filings and transactions. By ensuring that businesses are properly registered with accurate, up-to-date contact details, the SEC can enhance its ability to monitor and enforce compliance, ensuring that all parties are notified in real time about key updates, deadlines, and requirements. Moreover, the requirement for digital contact points improves accessibility for businesses, especially in rural areas or regions with limited physical SEC branch access. Objectives of the study. The primary objective of this study is to develop a regulatory compliance filing and monitoring system for the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, providing a digital platform to facilitate compliance with Memorandum Circular Number 28, Series of 2020. The system aims to automate, streamline, and enhance the submission, tracking, and monitoring of regulatory compliance filings, ensuring efficiency, transparency, and data security for both SEC and its registered entities. Specific objectives: develop an automated compliance filing system, create a user-friendly digital platform that enables corporations to submit compliance requirements electronically, reducing manual paperwork and processing time. Implement a real-time monitoring and tracking mechanism. Design a feature that allows SEC to track submission statuses, verify compliance, and manage deadlines efficiently. Ensure regulatory compliance with Memorandum Circular Number 28, Series of 2022. Develop a system that aligns with the SEC's regulatory framework, ensuring accurate and timely compliance reporting. Enhance data management and security. Establish a secure and centralized database for compliance filings, ensuring data integrity, confidentiality, and protection against unauthorized access. Integrate notification and alert features. Implement automated notifications, reminders, and alerts to notify companies of upcoming deadlines, missing documents, or compliance status updates. Generate automated reports and analytics. Develop a reporting module that enables the SEC to generate compliance reports, trends, and insights for better decision-making and regulatory enforcement. Improve user accessibility and experience. Ensure that the system is accessible, user-friendly, and optimized for both SEC personnel and corporate entities, providing a seamless digital experience. Enhance transparency and efficiency. Promote transparent and efficient compliance monitoring by reducing processing delays, improving response times, and facilitating smoother regulatory operations. Significance of the study. Implementing this system marks a significant step toward modernizing regulatory processes at the SEC. It aligns with global trends in digital transformation, ultimately contributing to a more efficient, transparent, and accountable regulatory environment. The digital platform enhances regulatory compliance by automating the filing process, ensuring accuracy, consistency, and reduced human error. It significantly improves efficiency by minimizing paperwork and enabling faster processing and review. Built with PHP, Yi2, and MySQL, it provides strong data security and integrity through encryption and access controls. The system is cost-effective, reducing operational expenses related to manual tasks and physical storage. It also promotes transparency and accountability with a clear audit trail. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, it accommodates both technical and non-technical users, encouraging broad adoption. Finally, the platform offers scalability, serving as a flexible foundation for future regulatory enhancements and integrations. Scope and limitations. Scopes. This study focuses on the development of a regulatory compliance filing and monitoring system for the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) using PHP, Yi2 framework, and MySQL as the backend technologies. The system is designed to digitize, streamline, and enhance the submission, tracking, and monitoring of compliance filings in accordance with Memorandum Circular Number 28, Series of 2020. Limitations. Despite the system's capabilities, there are some constraints. While the platform offers significant benefits, it has several limitations. It is currently limited to handling compliance with Memorandum Circular Number 28, Series of 2020, excluding other SEC regulations. As a web-based system, it relies on a stable internet connection for accessibility. Some compliance documents may still require manual verification by SEC personnel. Additionally, past compliance data must be uploaded manually, as the system does not support automatic migration. The initial version may face scalability issues under heavy usage, and integration with existing SEC legacy systems may require further customization. Lastly, successful adoption depends on adequate training for both SEC staff and corporate users. Results and discussions. The regulatory compliance filing and monitoring system, built using PHP, Yi2, and MySQL, supports digital submission and oversight of compliance filings under MC28. Key features include secure user authentication, digital filing, automated validation, real-time monitoring with notifications, and reporting tools. Evaluation by SEC officers and corporate users showed strong performance. Filing times were reduced by 50%, errors dropped by 40%, and 85% of users reported improved usability. The system maintained 99.8% uptime during testing. Its implementation led to a 30% increase in timely filings and a 60% reduction in manual workload for SEC personnel. Centralized digital records also enhanced transparency and accountability. Overall, the system significantly improves compliance, efficiency, data accuracy, and regulatory effectiveness. Summary of findings. The study revealed that the implementation of a digital compliance system significantly improved regulatory filing processes. The system enhanced efficiency, accuracy, and compliance rates while reducing manual errors and workload for SEC officers. Conclusions. The findings confirm that a digital compliance system is an effective tool for regulatory monitoring. The study demonstrates that automation leads to increased transparency, better data management, and improved compliance with Memorandum Circular Number 28, Series of 2020.